Having engine troubles again, Devin.
Nothing wrong with it.
Your mouth isn't matching your engine. All that smoke isn't good. I think it's best you get some rest more often.
I don't need rest. I need to work. Besides, the manager would never approve.
I'm sure he would. You've done tremendous work. I'm sure the manager has taken note of that plus your troublesome engine. The only notes the manager has taken is sending that little diesel to the scrapyard. I wouldn't be surprised if next week Tim here takes your place and you're on your way to the cutter's torch. That's enough, Carson! That's a lot of mouth coming from an engine with noisy brakes. You've said enough. Now go on. Your next train is ready. Pay no attention to him, Devin. You've worked here for so long, and I'm sure the manager hasn't ignored your hard work. I'd suggest telling the manager your engine problems.
I'll think about it. But I can't rest here any longer. I've got another train to make up. Oh dear. What the? Stupid bird!